In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly plan in our full 2025 guide. Whether you're planning to upgrade for more features or need to switch to a different tier, I've got you covered. We're going to walk through each step together, ensuring the process remains straightforward and hassle-free. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to head over to the Calendly website. This is your premier online platform for scheduling appointments effortlessly. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the Calendly URL. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the clean, user-friendly interface. It's designed to streamline your scheduling experience, no matter if you're a seasoned user or trying it out for the first time. Next, let's talk about logging in. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Login button. Click on it and you'll see various sign-in options pop up. If you've been using Calendly for a while, chances are you're logging in with your Google account. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Using your Google account not only makes the login process more efficient, but also smoothly integrates your work schedule with your bookings. Now you'll need to select the correct Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, perhaps for different work or personal purposes, be sure to choose the one linked to your Calendly. Look for your profile and click on it to proceed to the next step. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to the admin center to change your plan. Typically, you can find this option in the main menu or on the dashboard. You'll want to click on the admin center link, as this is where you can access all the admin related controls you need. The next area to focus on is the billing section. This is where all your subscription plan choices are stored. Find and click on the billing option within the admin center to view your current plan, payment methods, and any other related settings. If you're considering upgrading or altering your plan, make sure the options you choose fit the current needs and demands of your projects. As you go through the options, you might notice a final step, a place labeled P. Clicking on P is crucial for finalizing your plan change, thus completing your navigation through the billing configuration. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change your Calendly plan. Each click of the mouse brings you one step closer to having the plan that suits you best, perfectly aligning with your scheduling needs. Remember, taking a moment to verify each step and confirm your selections is crucial for ensuring a smooth transition. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to manage your Calendly subscription with confidence.